Hey team, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be going over tabs, tickets, and quick sales. To do that, you will want to switch over to bar and restaurant mode. So first we're going to do that. And next you'll want to click on the tables button on the right hand side. And then you'll see the add CC tab and quick sale button. Let me close this real quick. So first what I'm going to show you is the add button. What that's going to do is it's going to add a ticket for, let's say, a person that is currently at the bar right now and you don't see them leaving anytime soon. So you're just going to create a ticket for them. I'm going to put Kat in here right now. And let's say we're going to add an item. Let's add a smoothie to her ticket. Beautiful. And I'm going to press pay up at the top right hand corner. Scroll down. Save to tab. Save tab to server. Beautiful. And then press that X up at the top left hand corner. And now you can see Kat has her own tab/ticket right here for her smoothie. And if you need to add anything else to her ticket, just click on it and you can continuously add, right? Same thing, just pay, scroll down, save, boom. And then just that X up at the top left-hand corner. Now, the CC tab I will go over with you on another video, another day. Quick sale, that's for someone that comes in and they're just coming in real quick to grab and go, right? So they're coming in to grab their tea, their smoothie, whatever it may be. Boom. And then we press pay and confirm. So it's just a regular sale, right? But on the bar and restaurant side, they call that a quick sale. Again, because it's a grab and go instead of, hey, we're going to sit and hang out for a little while. So that is the tabs, tickets, and quick sales. And like I said, I'll go over the CC tab with you another. This is great if you guys, if any of you have a kava bar, kratom bar out there, this is a really great thing for you to have on Lifelong OS. So I was really excited to show this to you guys. If you have any questions, give us a call or text us at 678-201-0911. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.